Hello guys, welcome back. Ohayo gozaimasu. Herzlich willkommen. So guys, update here on HYMC, Hycroft Mining. Yeah, short squeeze stock here back from 2021, where also AMC, Gamestop, everything squeezed. This ticker also squeezed here almost 1000%, and the price level where this squeeze happened, guys, is very close to the actual price which we have. And I can tell you that HYMC is trading back in a trend channel here, which can bring here much higher price levels. Of course, I show you here my prediction based on the chart. Everything what I say here is not financial advice. Yeah, first of all, guys, we have a very good news here for HYMC. They again drilled the best hole ever, guys. I mean, this is a news which we have to talk about. No, I'm just kidding, but I'm jealous. Yeah, they drilled the best hole ever. That's, of course, an amazing result. But what we want to see is the chart, guys. We have here a trend channel pattern for HYMC. When we see here what happened since the short squeeze here back in 2022, was it not 2021? I'm sorry. You can see that the price is just tanking down, but the price level where the squeeze has been triggered, you can see that the algos are still waiting here, $2 and about 84 cents, and we had here some technical reactions every time when we came with volume above this price level here. We had some nice squeeze reactions, and now guys, we're trading here very close to all-time lows. Maybe the all-time low is already in, because we had this shakeout here when the stock split has been performed here in November 2023. That was the time when we had here $1.63. And as I said, the chart pattern which we have is showing here some squeeze signals. We have a strong resistance here at this purple EMA line. I will show you the drawings as well. But we have a chance to see here a short squeeze because the technical setup is there. And what do I mean by that, guys? When we had the short squeeze back here in 2022 for HYMC, you can see that we had here an algo trend line building up on the RSI, and then we had a breakout. Now it's the opposite way. The RSI is coming down, the price is coming down. We're building here lower lows, at least back to 2023. Now we're building higher lows, but what we want to see is a final breakout here out of this squeeze trigger zone. That's why I think $2.85 is a very significant price range here in favor for a short squeeze. When I enable the drawings, you will understand what I mean, because we have here, you can see that a strong algo support on the RSI, weekly RSI, guys. Yeah, we are here in the weekly chart first, and you can see that every time when we have here a small dip, that this dip here gets bought up by the algo, which is waiting here on the RSI pattern. And we are finally, guys, want to see one final shakeout or one final drama to see a possible short squeeze here for HYMC. Why do I mention that, guys? Because the main mission here is, of course, to educate you in trading. But I usually talk here always about short squeeze stocks, guys. Not only I talk about them, I trade them by myself, of course. And I try to predict short squeezes in the same fashion like I'm doing this right now for HYMC. I have here a lot of short squeeze available on my channel, guys. Yeah, one of my Patreon swing trade alerts just squeezed here around about 800% after my release. So I post these tickers here on Patreon, and you can see that this ticker here, this is a 4 hours chart, guys. It took around a little bit more than 2 weeks, which is quite long, but we had here a 797% squeeze, and this ticker is, by the way, still squeezing, guys. I also release here my so-called hot stocks every Sunday. This is my finest selection of short squeeze stocks where I personally expect a short squeeze to happen in the next days. You can see also here that my members made some huge profits here. There is, of course, no guarantee, guys, but I predicted here many squeezes already in the past. This is just one example here around Christmas, where we had 5 big short squeezes here between 107 and 480% after my video release, guys. So if you want to see those short squeeze stocks, you can join in here our trading community. The most popular membership which I have is the full package membership on Patreon. You get all these member benefits here, guys. And when you click the info icon here in the corner, you get access to this Patreon member link. It doesn't matter if you're a beginner or advanced trader, guys. Everybody is welcome to join in. So, yeah, guys, we have here now a 50-50 joker for HYMC. Why? Because I showed you that before. We have this purple EMA line here, which is rejecting the price now, since we had here one squeeze attempt, which has been here, by the way, when we measure here from the lowest point to the highest point, that was 186%. It's good, nothing special, but of course a nice price run up here. And we got rejected here at the around $4 mark. So even the technical squeeze trigger is, in my opinion, waiting here at $2.98. This is here where I expect a squeeze trigger to happen if we break this price with volume, but we have some resistance price levels here in between. But even if we just would see a squeeze here from the $2 range to $5.78, this is also more than 100%. But for a big short squeeze, guys, we need to break $5.78. That would be here the price range where we get into the moonland here, guys, where we can here see a new all-time, not a new all-time high, but very high price levels here, and even here back prices to $20 would be possible for HYMC based on the actual prices which we have, not financial advice. So I said that we are trading here in a trend channel, and we coming back now here in this uptrend channel, guys. So this is a 50-50 joker. Before, HYMC was trading here in this downtrend channel, which has compressed the price, and this trend channel pattern is over, guys. It is still possible that we could see here a massive shakeout created by the algos here, and HYMC comes back down and retest this trend channel line here. I can draw that here for you really quick, guys. Let's switch off the indicators. We don't need them right now. So this line here, guys, yeah, this is the top trend channel line. So technically, of course, it would be possible. We had a retest here, and you can see that we still don't break out, but at least we're trading sideways here. So we want to see, of course, that we create higher lows. We have that here, but we want to see also higher highs. So we have to break the price level here and have to at least retest $4.93 or even better, $5.78 to confirm this bullish momentum here for HYMC. Yeah, this is here the make it or break it price level here, the yellow line, but this trend channel pattern here is also supporting the price, and you can see after we came back down here, we trading now here back in this trend channel pattern, and the trading range which we have, as I said, is it's not over here at $4, but we have here potential to go back to $5.78 before we see a maybe bigger short squeeze here for HYMC. Looks quite interesting. As I said, when we talk about the RSI one more time, we're coming back here in the overbought area, which is not good, of course. When we overbought on the RSI here, that of course could cause here a sell-off reaction. We had that here, and we had that here as well. So don't FOMO in, guys. Make your own due diligence, but I would not buy in here. But I'm waiting here for the final shakeout to maybe break this pattern here and finally see a squeeze for HYMC. As I said, based on what we have here right now in the chart, that is very, very possible. And we have not that high short interest here. It's just 8%, 8.6%. They're drilling the best holes, guys. So that is a very good investment. No, I'm just kidding, guys. But, you know, we're just talking here about the technicals. I really don't care what they're doing. I don't care about their revenue. I just checking the chart. And as I said, maybe we need to see here one final shakeout for a potential short squeeze, because when we have price actions like that, guys, when that can happen here once, we can see that also twice. And as I said, the shakeout which we had here after the split, the bottom is for now in at $1.63. We had a nice technical reaction, but as I said, with volume, guys, here is a lot of things are possible, and especially over $5.78 we could see here a potential squeeze for HYMC. So guys, that was my update for you. I hope that was helpful. If you want to copy here the price levels from my chart, you can see here all the price levels in the scale. The liquidity zone, by the way, where the buying algos are waiting, is here between $2 and $1.86. But as I said, the all-time low was $1.63. So maybe between $1 or $2 and $1.60 is something like a liquidity zone. I could extend that, but we can see that we had here a lot of retests. That's why I think even $1.86 is still a strong support for HYMC. If you want to copy the price levels, guys, this is here TradingView, what you see here, the program. If you want to learn trading, if you want to get that program by yourself, I can give you here a $15 discount link on the premium tier. When you click the info icon in the corner, you get access to this TradingView discount link. So, my friends, that was the update on HYMC. I hope that was helpful. If you don't want to miss any updates on this stock or my other short squeeze plays, then please hit the like and subscribe button right now. I thank you for your time, guys. Thank you for watching this video, and see you in the next one. Arigatou gozaimasu. Vielen Dank, alles Gute und bis zum nächsten Video. Take care. Bye bye, guys.